This video is about how to fix string tension like a pro. There are many tricks to fix string tension for unresponsive yo-yos, including the DNA. Today, I'm going to show you my 3 favorite ways to adjust string tension without taking your yo-yo string off and untensioning it like a noob. Here's the first way. Throw a sleeper, then hook the string near the yo-yo with your index finger. Swing the yo-yo up and to the side of your non-throw hand like a mini sidewinder. Swinging the yo-yo to the right of your hand will loosen the string, and to the left will tighten the string. This first way is good for small corrections in string tension. Now, here's another way. Land your yo-yo onto a trapeze and grab the string furthest from your throw hand, and then pull your non-throw hand down and towards the yo-yo. This is a nice reliable way to loosen your string when it over tightens from yo-yo tricks. Now the final way is in a contest you may find yourself mid-trick, and in that moment you don't have time to adjust your string tension. So here's how to bind and adjust your string tension simultaneously. Ideally, start with the sleeper, then enter your bind mount. From here, bind the yo-yo and at the same time perform a sidewinder. Just like the sidewinder, you should swing the yo-yo up and off to one side and pull the yo-yo towards you. Swinging the yo-yo to the right will loosen the string, and swinging to the left will tighten the string. With these tricks, you can properly adjust string tension for your unresponsive yo-yo without taking your string off and looking like a noob.